ever catch yourself saying or like way too often when you speak? Don't worry, you are not alone. But here's the thing. Those tiny filler words might be silently sabotaging your credibility by making you sound unsure and even unintelligent. Today, I'll show you how to spot them, stop them, and speak with clarity and confidence every single time. The first thing is to identify your filler words. Remember, awareness is power. Most people don't even realize how often they use filler words until someone points it out. For the longest time, I thought I was a confident speaker until I recorded myself speaking and counted a lot of filler words and a tongue-clicking sound. The first step to change is awareness. Record yourself speaking, maybe during a casual conversation, a presentation practice, or even while reading a short passage aloud. Play it back and note the filler words you're using. When you move these from your subconscious to your conscious mind, you can finally start to control them. The next thing is to speak mindfully. Be present when you speak. Filler words usually pop up when your brain is running faster than your mouth. Slow it down. Focus on the message you are delivering rather than scrambling for the next word. Ask yourself, what do I want to say? And why? When you are mindful, your words become intentional. And intentional words rarely need fillers. Repetition builds confidence, so practice with purpose. Practice isn't about repeating a speech. It's about training your brain to feel comfortable in silence. So try this. Speak on any topic for 60 seconds without a single filler. You'll trip up at first. That's normal. Keep practicing until you can do 2, 3, or even 5 minutes. Like any muscle, your speaking ability strengthens with continuous use. The final thing is silence is your superpower. Embrace the pause. One of the most powerful tools a speaker can use is silence. Instead of filling space with or take a deliberate pause. It shows confidence, gives your audience a moment to process, and gives you time to gather your thoughts. Remember, pauses don't make you look unprepared. They make you look in control. Your words carry weight. Don't let fillers dilute them. Start small. Record yourself and practice replacing them with pauses. You'll be amazed at how quickly your confidence will grow. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tips on becoming a powerful communicator and share this with someone who needs to hear this. Your voice matters. Let's make sure the world hears it clearly.